Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Let's Talk. So, today we are going to talk about the company TCS. What I found, many people used to ask me what exactly happened in virtual onboarding in TCS. So, um, I joined TCS in October 2021. Yeah. So, for me, the 2 days they conducted the WebEx session. So first day I can tell you they introduced to TCS about its value, its function, where it is location, and the charity thing which TCS does. Um, if I can summarize in one sentence, it is basically you are going to know more about the TCS. So now let's come to the second day. So we had a session on how to set up the onboarding app, that is UX app, in your mobile, and even a Ultimatix account. So they are going to tell you like how to do the setups in Ultimatix account so that you can officially log in to the Ultimatix portal. So now you are no more going to log in into the next step and the digital TCS account. So if you are part of a TCS now, so now you have to log in with a Ultimatix account, and you have UX app in your mobile, and in UX app you have many apps like time set, leaves. So these things you have to download it from UX app. So UX app is nothing but it's like a play store where all the things of TCS is stored. Okay. So and even in the second day you are going to get your employee ID. Yes, you are hearing it right. You will get your employee ID, batch number, and they give you a document. Yeah, they give you some document to upload. And I think they will tell you to update your details in Ultimatix portal. So basically, you have to go to the Ultimatix portal. In employee service, you have to go to the GESS, and in that you have to update your basic details, salary details, and some personal information. You have to update it, and yeah, that's it. In second is so the webex will last from 8:30 onwards in morning to 6:30 p.m. Maybe sometime it extend to 7. That is the rare case. Okay, so now let's move into the third day. So from third day onwards, yours actual training begins. So these 2 days, they first day they mainly talk about the TCS things, and the second day some setups, ultimatic setups, and in third day you are going into the training. So you have a bridge skill training, um, and email writing in that, and even the technology which you are allocated. You doesn't have to choose it. Which technology which you are allocated, that training you are going to do. So if it is a Python, Java, or any other languages, so those training is going to be conducted for you. That will be 1 week